This is Adrian from the DevOps Whisperer. If you're new here, take a soft moment to subscribe and let your shoulders drop. Tonight, we're merging two worlds of automation. I'm joined by my colleague, Samantha. Her environment breathes through Puppet, Subversion, Red Hat, and legacy virtual machines. Mine moves with Ansible, Git, Ubuntu, and Docker. Two companies becoming one platform before morning. Our goal is a unified Jenkins pipeline, watched by Prometheus and Grafana. Samantha, welcome to the calm.
Good evening, Adrian. The office is quiet, only the fans and the heartbeat of servers. Let's make our tools agree gently. I'll open the change request and set the stage. Outcome: one pipeline, one monitoring story, no drama. Listing repositories from Subversion, trunk, branches, tags. It's neat but aged. We'll mirror this to Git.
Preparing a bare Git remote on our internal host, a place for the mirror to land. Export clean history. I'll receive it and create main, develop and release branches. Authorship stays intact. History matters. When complete, we'll freeze Subversion to read only until cut over, testing a shallow clone, then full clone, both light and fast. Signed tags mark each milestone. Feels tidy. Your build runs inside Puppet scripts. Mine in Ansible roles with Maven. Let's define a neutral build step. Compile, test, assemble artifact.
Agreed. We'll standardize on Maven wrapper for version control. I'll retire the old shell build and call the unified step from Jenkins. Artifact naming should show app, semantic version, timestamp. Gradual change, no shock. I like that.
Perfect. Once built, we containerize on Docker for integration. Legacy VMs still get a tarball through Puppet until migration completes. Here's the flow. Check out from Git, compile and unit test, container build and tag, push to internal registry, deploy to integration on Ubuntu Docker hosts, deploy to Red Hat VMs via Puppet. Finally, monitor stage ads. Prometheus metrics and Grafana annotations, soft gates, failures, stop, promotion, secrets come from the credential store, never in logs.
Branch policy.
Feature branches build, only main promotes to staging and release. Signed tags for releases.
Predictable. I'll link my Puppet handoff to your job definition. The pipeline will feel like breathing. Checkout complete. Build starting. Test screen.
Container build using OpenJDK17 base. Adding artifact. Tagging with version. Pushing layers to registry. quiet, steady, integration, deploy next.
Puppet path ready for Red Hat virtual machines. Artifact URL passed. Docker and Puppet walk in parallel.
Health checks running. No errors. The room stays calm. Pulling image from registry. Container starting with mapped ports. Readiness endpoint / actuator / health turns green. Latency flat. Logs soft. Service points to new container. Old one sleeps. Integration steady.
I'll note it in Grafana for morning visibility. A green line means peace. Calling Puppet run with version and checksum. Service stops archives, old build, unpacks new, starts again. Health endpoint returns 200.
Logs look normal. Puppet holds discipline. Docker offers speed. We're meeting midway. Before we continue, if this collaboration helps you relax after a long day of terminals and deployments, remember we release full 1-hour sessions each week for supporters. Kubernetes, Docker, Jenkins, Red Hat, Ubuntu, Prometheus, Grafana, long journeys made for rest. You'll find everything in the description. Now, back to our merge.
Prometheus targets see Ubuntu containers. Adding legacy VMs with label legacy equals true.
Pipeline writes version metrics. Grafana annotates release time. Requests steady. Latency smooth. Memory balanced. Alert fires only if errors persist for 5 minutes. Silence is health. Promoting to staging. Canary takes 10% traffic. Metrics unchanged. Raise to 50. Still calm. Then 100. Switch silent. Graphs flat.
I'll mark the Grafana annotation. Integration unified build. Looks beautiful when nothing moves. Logging format differs between container and VM. We should unify configuration.
Agreed. Shared template store for both environments. Ansible and Puppet pull identical values. Redeploying now. Logs align, line for line.
Grafana panels show one voice. Harmony restored.
Change window opened. Pipeline runs promotion. Canary first. No error rate shift. Gradually raising traffic. System steady. Now Red Hat virtual machines update via Puppet on staggered intervals. Prometheus heartbeat soft and even. Deployment complete.
Users notice nothing. The best kind of success. Rotating old logs and confirming journal limits. Disk free again. The service registry shows only one version.
Pruning unused container layers. Tagging image latest. Jenkins marks build successful. Prometheus and Grafana display release annotation. rotation. Next task, migrate remaining services from virtual machines to containers slowly, gently. If this session brought you peace, subscribe and come back whenever you need the hum of servers to steady you. For those who want our full 1-hour journeys each Wednesday, you'll find everything in the description. Thank you for keeping this calm corner of DevOps alive. 2 teams, 1 story, 1 pipeline, all systems green, always